JDiction's ResinCrete may just revolutionize your next crafting experience and help you take your craft to another level. Join me as I review this eco-friendly crafting solution. This kit comes with product molds, measuring cups, 1,000 grams of ResinCrete in a resealable package, which is a nice touch, measuring scoop, pigment dyes, wax, gloves, the stirrer, and sandpaper to smooth any rough edges that you may have. Let's begin by getting our product staged and ready for use. You're going to want to use a scale for this next part to measure the ResinCrete. ResinCrete should be used in a 10:3 ratio by weight, which means for every 10 grams of ResinCrete, you should add 3 grams of water. Weight ratios are listed on the back for easy calculations as well. Since this is my first time using the product, I'm going to use a mixture of 100 grams of ResinCrete to 35 grams of water so that I can maximize the working time of the product to 10 minutes. Once you have a lump-free and creamy consistency, you can add pigment to create various colors. 10 minutes may seem like a lot of working time, but it can go fast. So you want to make sure that you have all your products, supplies, and molds ready to go so that you can pour the minute you have the mixture completed. Once poured into the mold, we're just going to go ahead and jiggle things a little bit. We just want to make sure that there are no bubbles and also that the ResinCrete has leveled out in the mold. It's only been maybe about 5-10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, and already this is starting to solidify. While we wait for the product to cure, this is a good time to let you know that the sponsor of today's video is JDiction's ResinCrete. And if after watching this video you would like to try ResinCrete for yourself, the link to purchase this kit is in the video description, as well as a coupon code that is going to save you 5% off your next order. And if you're getting value from this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and share this video with your friends and family, as it's the best way to help support this channel. So it's been 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and demold these. One of the things that I'm really liking about the ResinCrete, aside from the fact that it's eco-friendly and safe, is that there is zero chemical volatilization, and this makes for a peaceful crafting experience. Layman's terms, it means that you don't get any of the harmful fumes produced by traditional resin products. That is fantastic. I'm loving that. So first impressions after demolding these is that there are no bubbles. There are no imperfections that I can find. The ResinCrete completely filled all the voids in the mold, and I gotta tell you, it's very smooth, almost like porcelain. Now, you can use the included wax to be able to go and brighten the items that you're making. However, that wax is not gonna make your product waterproof. If you are wanting to seal the ResinCrete, you can apply a layer of resin, polyurethane, lacquer, or clear acrylic to it. However, I do highly recommend that you follow the manufacturer's directions and safety precautions when using those types of products. So overall, I really like the way that these turned out, and I can see exactly how ResinCrete could be a game changer for crafters, for art therapy, for providing properly supervised children the opportunity to express themselves in a creative manner as well. Me personally, I plan to use ResinCrete to create my own unique and one-of-a-kind items that I can sell at markets. The ease of use and fast curing times will make it possible to quickly build up an inventory of unique and one-of-a-kind items that make it possible to create seasonal items to sell at craft and makers fairs. Regardless of how you will use ResinCrete, the benefits of having a safe and easy to use product will not only take your crafts to another level, but also provide a sense of peace and enjoyment if you are using ResinCrete for art therapy. The creative process is a great way to improve your mood and reduce stress, which is greatly needed in today's world. And crafting with ResinCrete is a great option to achieve this. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use ResinCrete and elevate your crafting abilities. And if you found this video useful, you might like this one too.